Shut up, car. Damn, look at the house.
That's knowledge. There's some cars for sale.
JT.
Then you want to come here and look for cars to buy?
This is for YouTube.
Off road.
Let me buckle up for y'all.
YouTube's about to go live.
Wonder where the house is where that guy was standing on his front porch. I'm serious. There's a video of a guy that's just standing on his front porch as the tornado goes by. And, like, all his trees fell down in his yard, but he was lucky he was on the outskirts of the tornado.